Senze ngimtshela ukumtshela mina ubaba wakho. Njengoba nizona kanje sekuphelile futhi. Uma usubona nje ukuthi usuzoteta, uhambe emzumbe ungaphumeshi nala endlini uye esibhedlela. Ngoba ngeke ngehle ngenyuka mina. Ungangifaki nokungifaka. Ngobona ingane mina isikhona usemzumbe futhi. Hayi noma ngakhala sine uzungangifaki mina.
Ish azingaflopa. Ngiflope kakhulu ngiphinde ngakhulelwa kade so ingaka ngikhale ngithi awu ma ubaba ngizombhekela ubani umana ngcono uma uthetha adlule ubaba yena umuntu engimsaba kakhulu ke manje uthi ngizombhekela uba kade sesi right naye sengiqala phansi manje sengiyabheda futhi iyona nje into engikhalisa.
On the latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu, Sneh went to her mother Macele and showed her a pregnancy test. So apparently Usneh is pregnant again. And how Macele reacted, she was quite calm and she told Usneh that, you're not gonna, because they bought a house, they moved out of Mzombe. And she said that you're not going to go to like treatment, the hospital over here. You have to go back to Umzombe and take care of her, or take care of yourself and your child, and I will come there when the baby is born. And she also told her that you have a good relationship now with your father. Things are good now with your father and you are just ruining it like this. And Usneh also said for herself that, Macele doesn't like reprimand her for too long or scold her for too long, but she is scared about how her father would react, right? And on the last episode, not this one, Musamseleko asked Umpilo to make children, to make grandkids for him and for Makhumalo, right? And some people were saying that I don't think he will be angry because of this is what he wants, right? This is what he wants. Yes, I agree. And I don't know how he would react to this, because even Umakela was like, he's not even going to bother telling him. She will have to tell him herself, right? And I'm saying that he might be angry, he might be happy because of he wants to expand his family. But remember that there are Sneh's children that Musamseleko does not want. Uthando, Macele had to fight to make sure that that child has the Mseleko surname. There is a boy child who's also there. Musamseleko wants nothing to do with that child. That child doesn't even stay with Usneh. I think he stays with the father. And now Usneh is pregnant again. At the end of the day, even if he does not get mad and she thinks that it's a good thing, it is not going to benefit Usneh. Let me tell you, God forbid God takes Macele and Musamseleko, it's over for Usneh. All of his adult children are working and doing something for themselves, including Umpilo, who was asked to make children for Makhumalo. If Musamseleko should he pass away, it's over for Usneh. Because of also Usneh has burned bridges with the other wives who would have helped her, especially Makhumalo. I don't think Makhumalo would have let her suffer. She talks bad about the other wives. I'm telling you, it's not going to end well for Sneh. And they're going to keep on saying that, oh, Usneh is this, or Usneh is that, doesn't have a mother, Usneh is this and that. But then look what she's doing. Can she go and prevent? Like, what is wrong with her? Like, I don't understand. How is she going to feed her child? Like, can she just go and prevent? Like, this is not looking good for her. In the near future, we will be talking about something different with Sneh. And Usneh is going to point fingers at her siblings on why they don't take care of them. Everybody else will be busy with their own lives because of they are all starting now to do something up with their lives. By the time their father passes away, they will all be gone with their careers. And Usneh will be left alone. Everyone is looking out for themselves and their children, including the wives that she's burning bridges with. At this point, what is wrong with this girl? What is wrong with this girl? She will be pointing fingers at the end. saying that this person didn't do this for me, this person didn't do that for me. But look at what she's doing, making kids all over again when you know that you're not in a financial stability to make kids. Not even Umpilo can even think about making a child. She has to be asked to make a child for Makumalo. What guys, no. At some point, if she was working, it was something different. We could say, okay, at least she's independent. She'll be able to take care of her own child. Even if she moves back to Mzombe, it's still fine. She'll be able to take care of herself. But this one, shame.